Hello everyone, I am Miss Arena and our topic for today is direct and indirect objects. First of all, let's talk about verbs without an object. The structure of verbs without an object is subject plus verb. For example, the flowers grew, the dog got up, the leaves fell down. Some verbs need only subject, they don't need an object. These verbs include fall down, get up, grow, happen, laugh, run away, sit down, sleep, speak, stand up, walk or work. And now let's talk about verbs with one object. Verbs with one object structure is subject plus verb plus object. We picked up the rubbish. I've planted a tree. She borrowed this book. Many verbs can be followed by an object. These verbs include borrow, close, draw, drink, drive, eat, have, invite, open, paint, pick up, plant. And now we will talk about verbs with two objects. So, the structure of verbs with two objects is subject plus verb plus indirect object and direct object. For example, Simon gave Jill some flowers. And another one, subject plus verb plus direct object plus preposition and plus indirect object. Simon gave some flowers to Jill. Some verbs can be followed by two objects. One is called the direct object and the other is called the indirect object. The indirect object is usually a person. In both examples below, some flowers is the direct object and Jill is the indirect object. And let's talk about verbs with two objects. There are two prepositions which often go between the direct object and the indirect object. To and for. I bought an umbrella for George. I gave the umbrella to George. Some of these verbs above can also be used in the passive. Jill was given some flowers. Some flowers were given to Jill. And these verbs include bring, buy, cost, get, give, lend, make, offer, owe, possess, pay, read, send, show, sing, take, teach, tell, throw, write. And now we are gonna to do some practice. Now please choose whether the word is direct or indirect object. I owe you an apology. He played soccer with his friends yesterday. I wish you happiness. I always lend him money, but he never pays me back. Show me your photo album. Will you give me the book? The teacher gave us a lot of homework. They ate chicken for dinner. He bought her a nice necklace. I sent them an email. They offered me a job. The students asked the teacher a lot of questions. He wrote the book when he was in Spain. They watched the movie together. Okay, put the pause and make your exercise. Okay, and now we are gonna check it. So, I owe you, it's indirect object. An apology, direct. He played soccer. Soccer is direct object with his friends yesterday. I wish you happiness. Happiness is direct object. I always lend him indirect money, but he never pays me back. Show me your photo album. Album is direct object. Will you give me indirect object and the book direct object? The teacher gave us. Us, it's indirect object. A lot of homework. They ate chicken. Chicken is direct object for dinner. He bought her indirect object. A nice necklace, direct object. I sent them indirect object, an email, direct object. They offered me, indirect object, a job, direct object. The students asked the teacher, indirect object, a lot of questions, direct object. He wrote the book is direct object. They watched the movie is direct object together. Very good job, and that's the end for today. Thank you and bye.